smell something burning.
I'm here with 3D Filler Prints, who I was exhibiting with last year. I'm here with Tim, the boss of 3D Filler Prints. How's it going?
Yeah, it's a good show today. We've got a lot on. There's a lot more materials this year for the engineering materials that there were last year. We did a project this year that included like the conductive filament that we had. We showed from Protopasta last year, but showing it this year, and it's working on a working pinball machine. But one of the main reasons why we then carried on with the pinball machine is because the conductive PLA played a big part. When we knew that would work, we then carried on with the rest of the actual pinball.
So this is a bumper?
Yes.
So what's... You've got some 7.4 series logic in there?
Yes, monostable.
Right. 2 solenoids.
2 solenoids.
Wow. How does it detect the ball?
2 conductive rings.
Right.
Which operate.
Yeah, wow. That's quite something.
I wanted to show off UVs and PLAs. So we created what's known as, our designer there created this called a mutoscope. Rich, it's an old 1930 design of what the original movies you used to look into one of these at the seaside and see the flickering movies. So we just created it so that we've got a UV light and an LED light inside. So whether you're using UV or whether you're using LED, you should be able to see it glow up. So all the barrels were of various materials, the brass, the bronze, the reflector lay by Kai Parthy, which is full of glass beads. So you can actually use this as a reflective material on workwear. And what we've actually done on the several t-shirts, we've made, you can actually iron on reflector layer on the t-shirts.
How long did this take you?
1,200 hours of printing.
Right. How long to design?
200 on OpenSCAD.
Wow.
8.5 kilometres of filament.
Right.
Not kilos, kilometres.
Yeah, okay. This is amazing. And it's all Arduino driven?
Yes, 2 Arduinos. Mainly for the number of IOs.
Yes.
Yeah.
Is that Ninja Flex rubber belts?
Various, some are Ninja.
Right.